Aramas Group presents Sound of Stones, our luxury denim brand. We create exceptional timeless garments inspired by men's vintage fashion. We believe that each and every one of our products is a unique piece of art, crafted with Italian expertise and design, attention to detail, and durable European textiles. Our brand represents effortless vintage style, high quality, and sustainability. We focus on creating ageless, fashionable garments with textiles that can stand the test of time. As we embarked on this journey, we were faced with the fact that fashion is one of the biggest contributors to climate change. We believe that environmental conservation is vital, so we have taken on the challenge of being ecologically responsible. Every fashionable man can collect our pieces, knowing that he is making a positive impact on the environment and shaping the future of the fashion industry. Our producers, Aramas Group, have a long-standing relationship with high-end denim brands. We have used our expertise crafting our garments, along with Italian designers, and fabric that is luxurious and durable, so you can enjoy your denim for years to come. We utilize waterless washing techniques and partially recycled cotton. Sound of Stones is one brick-and-mortar store, and we are quickly expanding. This year, we will be opening 6 more stores to keep up with demand. We are growing every day and hope to someday be a part of your life, be it in your stores or closets.